SCANGRIP presents a full range of specialized LED solutions for UV curing to perform fast and high-quality curing of any body and paint repair. The automotive coatings technology is continuously developing new, fast, cost-effective methods for automotive body and paint repair. Utilizing UV LED curing technology allows you to work faster and more efficiently, as the curing time between each operation is reduced significantly. UV Gun is the most powerful and price-competitive solution on the market with exchangeable battery, designed for UV curing of large paint repair areas. Featuring high-quality components and active cooling, UV Gun has a long lifetime and keeps a high performance level throughout the daily operations. No heat is produced on the panel or the paint during the curing, which allows curing of plastic parts or any heat-sensitive material. Sanding and polishing can be done immediately after the curing is completed. It is fast curing, only 1 minute. The innovative SCANGRIP power solution system makes it easy to exchange the battery and continue the work while another battery is charging. The Nova UVS is an extremely powerful, rechargeable LED light designed for larger cure areas. The rechargeable handheld UV light is perfect for small and medium cure areas. The UV pen is useful for spot repair and curing of car door edges and other narrow areas. For more information, visit us at www.scangrip.com.